What do you want?
Especially now that Daddy's got me honey mustard sauce, I can have dipping sauce.
What does Betty want?
I want chicken finger with dipping sauce.
What does Betty want?
I'm here. I'm here, Mom.
What does Betty want? What does Betty want? Betty wants snack?
Dipping sauce, Mom. Dipping sauce. I like honey mustard, Mom. Honey mustard. I want honey mustard.
Betty wants snack?